Royal LePage just predicted Toronto home prices will drop 4.5% in 2026. For context, 2023 they predicted a price drop. The GTA market actually rose over 5%. In 2024, they forecasted a 6% boom and then prices finished flat. And in 2025, they called for a 5% gain. Instead, we saw a 3.5% dip. That is 3 years of missing the mark, not just on the number but on the direction as well. John Kenneth Galbraith, an economist, once said, "Forecasting is just to make astrology look respectable." Now, when a major brokerage predicts a price drop, panic usually ensues. The sellers worry they miss the peak, and then the buyers freeze, hoping for a bigger crash. Now, before you react to this, percentage points, I want to offer a different perspective. Now, forget the forecast for a minute. And here's the reality on the street for first-time home buyers right now. We can call it the reset. It means the blind bidding panic is paused, wherein, there's more safety conditions like inspections and financing. They're all back. It means it's finally safe to buy again. Now, don't try to market or time the market based on predictions. Focus on your readiness as a home buyer. Check your numbers and do it when you're comfortable with what you're seeing. Remember that you are going to pay the mortgage, not me, not your mortgage broker, and definitely not your bank. If you want the real numbers on buying in 2026 without the hype, download my free clarity guide and the link is in the bio.